So many people want to start coding, but the very first step is often the hardest, getting Python installed on your computer. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process so you're ready to go. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python on a Windows PC. First, let's check if Python is already installed. Open the command prompt, just go to the Start menu, type cmd, and open it. Now, type this command, Python version, and press enter. If you see a message saying something like Python is not found or nothing shows up, that means Python isn't installed yet. So let's go ahead and download it. Open your favorite web browser and search for Python download. From the search results, click on the official Python website. On the download page, it usually suggests the latest version of Python for Windows. You can also head over to the download section and pick the version that matches your operating system. For this tutorial, I'll go with the Windows version. Under stable releases, I'm clicking the 64-bit installer. The download starts right away. Once it's finished, go to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Double-click it to open, or right-click and choose Open. Now, the Python setup wizard appears. You'll see a couple of important options here. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Add python.exe to path. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. This step is really important because it allows you to run Python directly from the command prompt. If you want the fastest option, just click Install Now. But if you want more control, like choosing the installation location or enabling extra features, click Customize Installation and go through the steps. From here, you can choose any feature you want in this installation process. Once you're done, click Next. Also, you may select any advanced feature from here. You may change the location where Python will be installed, but for me, I will keep this default as it is. Once you're done, click Install. The installation process begins. Just wait a moment while it completes. As you can see, Python was successfully installed on this PC and ready to be used. Let's close the window and confirm everything is working. Open command prompt again and type Python version. Press enter, and this time you should see the version number of Python you just installed. You can also just type Python to enter the Python interactive shell right inside the command prompt. Let's print Hello World message. As you can see, we can now run Python inside this command prompt. Python is now installed and ready to use on your Windows PC. Now you can start your Python journey right away. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.